already done my brows. It takes me a while and I'm on the phone, so I just went and did them off camera. I'll just pop the pimple right here on my lip, y'all. So let's get it back. But I just used the E.L.F. Camo Concealer, the A matte one, in the shade Deep Chestnut. And baby, this concealer is really dry and I do not like that. Like, it literally dries up on your face within like 5 seconds. And if my hair looking very much dirty, it is. I ain't even gonna come to y'all because I took my hair out and then my hair just like does not sleek back when I freshly blow dry it, you know, wash and blow dry it. So I haven't washed my hair since I took my hair out, which maybe that's it to y'all, but it's better for me to slick it back because it just really will not cooperate. So anyways, so basically after I do my brows, I go in and I just put concealer under my eyes. Look at the pimple right here. I got a pimple right here, and do y'all see this color? Like, it looks so good. But yeah, I'm challenging myself to post 2 times a week while being a full-time student in my senior year of college and working full-time. So let's see where this goes. So that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, so after I do that, I blend under my eyes, and then I am going to get this mustache down here and right here. So basically all the places, and I'm gonna go down my nose but in a second. I basically put my concealer everywhere that I would usually put my concealer if I was to put my makeup with my foundation. And I'm not gonna lie, like in this routine I use a little, like literally like a tiny bit of foundation just to blend everything in. But I have not worn foundation in so long, it's crazy. Every time I do my makeup, I do this routine because it's easy, it's fast. I literally do this in like 10 minutes. And people be like, hold on, you just did that? I'm like, yeah, girl, it just took me 10 minutes. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. Maybe I need a little bit more there. My skin is very dry right now too, but that's nothing new. I don't put serums and oils on my face because my face is oily, like with makeup. I know y'all have seen it. And it's cold outside, but I need it to be dry. Like, I don't need... Hold on. It's just really red right here. My skin is just irritated, so that's just how it's gonna have to be. Anyway, so this is what we're looking like. That's good. So now, I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance Color Perfect foundation stick. Yeah, color. I was reading the Spanish side and I'm like, but I'm going in with the Color Perfect foundation stick, and this is in the color 6825. Yeah, I used to use the one that came in the square, which I know I never could find it, so now I'm using this because it's like the same color basically, and it's the foundation stick on one side and then it's a brush on this side. But I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to go in with this E.L.F. brush, this E.L.F. buffing foundation brush, and I'm just going to go like this on it. And this is my contour shade, which is really just going to bring my face back to life, if that makes sense. And so I'm just going to put this here, higher than my cheekbones, because we want to lift the face. And then I'm going to bring it like onto my cheek like it's blush. But I love this color, like this chestnutty looking color. This is what I like to contour with. I do not like those muddy, gray, ashy colors. Like, baby, miss me with that, because that's not what my skin looks like. My skin is brown, not this ashy, ugly color that y'all be trying to make it seem like it is. A difference. I'm gonna take some and I'm gonna put it on my eyes too. Like, if I'm having a lazy day, a natural day, I'm just gonna blend it on my eyes to give my eyes some depth or dimension, make it look like, you know, sexy. You see that? This hot, this hot. And don't worry about all of this down here. it's my new skincare routine is gonna be clearing. It's clearing that up, and we're gonna cover it anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on these eyes, baby. I like them to like look real sultry, sexy, smoky. So sometimes I go ham with it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start bringing it down the sides of my nose. So here, and then come down. You see that right there? And pat it down the side of that nose. Because then we're gonna start contouring. So bring it down the side of this nose. And don't be shy with it. I'm not shy with it at all. Like, I literally be freaking this nose up with it. Because I like for my nose to be snatched. You know, do y'all see that though? Like, sometimes I might go in with a smaller brush, but honestly, real and raw with y'all, I be lazy all the time. I don't know, my lips is getting dry. It's cold, y'all. That's why it's just getting dry. I just put on lipstick. But you see that right there? How it's coming in? Period. Because whose nose isn't snatched? And I don't know why my nose is acting like it's trying to get stuffy and runny. I don't like that. Anyways, so we're going to go back in with that same concealer that we was just using. I love a good makeup look. Like, it's looking too good. And I'm going to put just a tad right here, because I'm about to blend that out. That's all you need, because you don't want to go overboard. So I'm not going to lie, I need my mirror for this so I can make sure. I'm with it. I'm with it.
Got money now, you just switched up on me. I used to think about how you would act when a nigga got money now, you done switched up on me. Now you wanna say what's up to me. Okay, so now you wanna make love to me.
Clean it up. And so now I'm just gonna go back in with that brush. I'm just gonna keep putting that. Yeah, like I said, my nose is dry, so I just pat in here. Look at the product. If it's not acting crazy, I mean, like, who wouldn't want to look like this? I'm just saying. So, anyways, after I do that, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, which is my Juvia's Place Velvety Matte Foundation, the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. Can I not talk today? And I have the color Gabon, I think. Yeah, Gabon, G-A-B-O-N, in the shade 300. If it'll focus. Nah. Anyways, I done told y'all. So I'm gonna literally take my foundation brush. This one from Real Techniques. It might not even be a foundation brush, but that's what I'm gonna use it as. And so I'm gonna squeeze out a little bit. Literally that much. And I'm just gonna take this, and I'm going to, right here on the bottom half of my face, where it was nothing, that's where I'm putting my foundation. And I just go crazy. And then I just blend it into that contour shade up here, because it really doesn't matter. Blended everything in. And if I'm being honest, it's not really like a completely like, ooh, my nose tickles. Ooh. Sorry. It's not like a completely full coverage deal, but like that's not what I want. Like, you can literally still see some of my marks on my face peeking through and like that up there, but at the same time it makes me look pretty. It makes my skin, like, for the most part, look even. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is not a full coverage like glam. This is like everyday natural. That's what I'm into right now. Like I said, I wore this on vacation, so like this is what you want to look like on vacation, and this is what I want to look like every day. And it's just so pretty, like matte. Oh, and if like you're into the dewy skin, if you did dewy with this, okay, so now I'm gonna bring down here and do my jawline. I'm pretty sure it will be really pretty. So now that I did that, now it's time to set everything. I guess you could not set and I can give you a dewy look, or you could set, use a dewy setting spray, but I'm going to set. So I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Powder, and I'm going to put my beauty blender in it. And I am going, let me not say beauty blender, my beauty sponge, because this is not a beauty blender. I did not pay $20 for that sponge. Baby, this is probably equate 99 cents or like $1.99. But I'm going to bake down the sides of my nose. So I'm not going to put it all the way up, but just enough so you can see that. I did contour, and I'm going to press it. I don't really use a lot of powder, even though it might look like it. I really don't, because it's just not necessary. I'm not getting ready to bake or anything. I'm just setting my face. Now that I did that, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This is just optional. Some people don't like bronzer, but I do. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany, and I'm gonna take this bad boy and we're gonna bronze. This is a BH Cosmetic number 3 brush from the Brazil light collection of brushes. I'm just gonna go over that. Oh, man. And so if I feel like the color has faded too much, I do go back in with this brush just to bring some of my lines back. And then I'm gonna mix it with that my blush, so like it'll be more red, like red undertones. That's my undertones I feel like that I have in my skin, and those are the undertones that I like. So after that, this is the part where I go in with the blush. So y'all know me, I've been using the same blush palette on this channel for the longest. The Novu Neutrals is very dirty palette from BH Cosmetics. It's broken too, but yeah, it looks like this. And I'm using literally, ooh, this up in the face, this shade right here, the brightest one, the richest one, and I like it. I love it. It just makes my face like, you see that? That's too little, and it's already on there. And then I just smile, and I just go back and forth. I mean, like, look at that. Like, I love people when they wear like a bunch of blush. Put it on my nose. No, I'm just kind of with dust everywhere. It's these dry lips for me. That the powder was. And I might go in with a little bit more. Sometimes I OD with it. I can't even lie. Gonna go in, no extra product or anything, and I'm just literally gonna press all of this in. See that?
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Yes, okay. Okay, so now for the final step. We are going to, or second to final step, because we're gonna put mascara on after this, but I always do my face before I do mascara because it took me one time, baby, one time for me to be, something on my face, I mean my eye. One time for me to be going somewhere important, and then I did my mascara, and then I sprayed, and then my mascara started running. Face ruined. So anyways, I'm going with the MILANI Make It Last Matte 16-Hour Wear Setting Spray. And I shake it up before. Please shake this up, because the first time I got it, I did not shake it up, and I sprayed it on my face, and it made my face, like, it all came out white, first of all, and it left white spots all over my face. Like, I do my makeup so good so many times, y'all, and then got to the end, and it just literally was a disaster. And yeah, and I do go hand, can't lie. And then I just put in myself. And I mean, like, do you see this face, baby? So I'm just going in with this NK makeup from straight from the hair store, lip gel with vitamin E and argan oil, baby, beauty supply store. And I'm just going to literally put some gloss on. And I'm going to use probably more than you think I should. Some of y'all gonna know. If you know, then you know. The girls that get it, get it. And the ones that don't. I had to squeeze it. You know, you gotta push it up too. When you're running out, when you're running low. Y'all should have been if won't get it. But the ones who do, and the ones who don't. Oh, baby, we almost got the mascara. Cause sometimes I'll be used to having lashes on, but when I don't have lashes on, y'all, I'm using the mascara. This is the L'Oreal Hydrofuse Telescopic Mascara. My sister got me this for Christmas. I mean, like, she's 14, so period. And I needed some new mascara, so thanks, girl. This is the waterproof one. It's alright. I think I like hers better, which is the regular one. I think it's pink, but I don't really have lashes like that, if I'm being honest. So that's why I be wearing lashes.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for the niggas so cheap. Being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Ready hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not in silent. Through the group of 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. I've been shipping only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it.
Okay, I mean, like, get into this. Oh, baby. To look this good in 10 minutes, I'm like, why not? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And I will see you in my next one.